soon as you leave the bacon, and then we ate it.
You missed it. Whoever's leaving like dishes outside needs to get hurt.
Yeah.
Alright, so I can do this. I'm gonna do this. Cook some chicken.
There's chicken in the sink.
Oh, and you have to wonder that this is like super hot sauce in it.
Don't put it in there. I'll kill you.
Not that dumb. Yeah, you see
You can't make people look dumb in front of their friends, man. It's not right.
Why not?
You shouldn't put down your... Because he's your friend. He's always going to be there for you.
Why not, though?
No, what is that?
I don't know. He's
A brownie.
letting you stay in his house. You could be nice to him.
I am nice to him.
Yeah,
I want to be.
No, he thinks it's all my mom or Shane is dealing with what he's here.
Be nice.
But I
Look
do.
at you.
But I love him.
Be nice. Give hugs.
He loves me too much, man.
I know, exactly.
What is that kind of hug, dude?
It's a hug that I
It's a
want.
step.
You know what he'll do? I try to do this, and he's like, "No, bro, you gotta do it like this." Like, and then he'll do this. Let me cook my chicken, or else I'll give you salmonella.
See, I told you I love him.
Dude, it's...
I do many
It's
things.
not
for him.
wrong not to love somebody, dude.
Hey, I would do many things for him if he actually asked. So
Seriously, bro.
a lot
I'd
of
be
things.
like, I'd be like, "Why don't you just suck my dick?" You'd be like, "Okay, come over there." I'd be like, "No."
See, for me, I take it as, like...
What if a gay dude?
Even if he's not helping me in the kitchen, he's being a friend by being here and talking to me. If nothing else, you're
What if
still
he's
being a
being in
friend.
here talking to
You're
you
still
annoying
being a
him?
friend, even though you're just standing there eating his food.
Because I love him. And always be my friend.
Ugh, I got some nutty shit.
Even when he kind of hates me and he's doing really gross stuff. And when he's really, like, smoking a suicide and
This is
smoking a
dinner,
cigarette.
man.
We
That can't be
like
gross
that
stuff. You're
foil.
about to put it in your mouth.
It's
Foil.
gross, so it's
Foil on that pan.
Where's the foil?
You must
It's where all the
appreciate
Kool-Aid
sugar.
is. It's where the Kool-Aid is.
I love
You know where the Kool-Aid is.
You mean the terrible
Foil.
mix-aid?
Right there.
You mean the mix-aid?
Whatever. Cover the pan. I've got like chicken shit on my hands.
Well, I got like...
What's that? Oh, fuck that.
Ah.
You know how to foil it, right? Like, put it on... Cook that pan in foil. Watch out.
No. Sorry.
That wasn't an offer, man. That wasn't an offer. That wasn't like me trying to kiss you or anything, dude.
I'll
This was a
take it.
fucking
I mean-
stick of gum and this was not an offer,
I want the
dude. No.
I want the gum.
Whoa, bro.
Oh.
This was not an offer. That's an offer right there on the counter, though.
That's what it said.
Hey, what do you think I should put the oven on?
400.
400?
No, I'm just kidding. I really don't know. Look on the bag. That's what a bag's for. Obviously.
Why's the guy in the mask got to do all the work?
Because he's the guy in the mask.
Duh. What are you doing?
Washing my hands?
You're not gonna do anything.
Coco.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Basic. 375.
Don't say something and not know what you mean, bro.
Shut up.
Just say shit. That means
Just
you
shut
can
up.
just say shit.
Shut up, boy. Shut up now.
Hey man, this guy's gonna do this. How do you... I don't know. Well, why the fuck do you say it then?
I don't
I'm
know.
spilling chicken juice on the counter.
Why do you say it then?
I need this shit out of the shit.
That definitely something and then not know what the fuck you said it, bro.
I don't even know what I said.
It's your brain. Are you not in control of that thing or what? You're the only one in control of your brain. You're in control of your brain. You're in control of your brain, dude. You're not a robot. Are you a robot? Is someone telling you to do this right now? You can stop right now if you're not a robot. Nope.
Turn that off.
Nope. Put your
that
hands
off.
in the air. Are you a robot? Put your
No,
hands in
I'm
the
not a
air.
robot.
Okay. All right. All
I'm
right.
not an Omega robot.
All right.
And now I need to piss and I got chicken shit all in my hands.
I'm sorry, dude.
Doesn't matter if you're sorry.
Can you be... Never mind. Dude, I can't say it.
To need relief.
Hey, he still has life, okay? Life matters.
He's still holding that.
No, he's alive.
He's older.
Still alive.
He's older than that. And hairy.
He's still alive.
But I don't care about the hairy part. He's still older than that. No.
If you're alive, you can fuck, man.
He's also very small. Yeah?
Where did my hat go?
You
Downstairs?
Yeah.
I just went down there.
But you put it down there.
On the mattress? Thingamajigger?
Yeah. There.
Ew, what the fuck is that?
What?
The fuck is that shit?
What shit?
Ew.
It's the teeth! Ah!
The fuck?
Oh!
Can we seriously get the teeth? Wait, no, this is the leg, that's the fucking pussy lips.
No.
What do you think it is, feathers?
Ah! I don't want to touch it.
Touch it, touch it.
I don't want to touch
Touch
it.
it.
Bro, touch it. I think it's like feathers, you know?
Part
Dude,
of
it's the
wing.
butthole. It's the butthole, and that's part of the fucking feathers on its tail.
Okay.
Oh man, it's this is like those scary movies where the
Teeth?
no, but
Seven.
it's like they're experimenting with chickens
Here.
and shit.
They are experimenting.
That's gonna grow.
I ain't touching that.
Sorry, man. I'm just so scared of it right now. It's so scary. I don't know what that shit is.
Alright, watch out.
The thing's growing shit.
Yeah,
There's
it's
some on
creepy.
this one too.
I'll just cut it off.
Well, he dropped it on the floor now. Get
But
out!
You could rinse it off.
Yeah, watch it, dude.
Why?
So we can eat it. I'm
But I
hungry.
just don't want to eat that.
You
It
watch.
looks like a vagina, dude.
Everything.
It is
What?
a vagina.
What's wrong with a vagina? That you guys like vaginas.
On a chicken, though, I can't think of that. Well, I'm eating chicken.
A chicken with teeth?
Vaginas have teeth.
No.
No, they don't.
Do they?
Right.
Right.
He tried to give
What
me
if
with
they
that
do?
last year. No,
Oh,
he tried to give me
okay.
with that. He tried to give me with that.
You know they have control of the teeth, Jake.
Sure.
That's how they do it. They fucking clamp onto you until, you know.
You don't fucking let go. It's just like there, dude. You're like if you fuck with the girl,
don't cook anymore.
if you fuck with the girl so badly, she'll like.
Wait. Have you had sex with a girl before?
No.
Then you can't.
My friend
No.
will tell me, man.
No. You
friend-
weren't.
my friend
No.
was checking out this
No.
rapper
I'm done.
once.
No.
Like a
No.
big ass
No.
cup right there.
No. That's it. You're done talking. You can't talk anything more about something you haven't experienced. You're telling me what Joe Schmo did. Tell me what matters to you. Tell me what you've done.
Assholes have teeth too. There we go. Moment through.
Bro, I can't cook anymore.
He just killed my fucking. You want to see these pussy lips? Let me see them.
God damn. I can't. Ew, they're just gross.
See, look, more teeth.
I had to hide them. Oh, can you see that?
No, probably not.
Take a look at that. Some creepy ass shit, man.
What time is it?